Welcome for the Nifty update, guys. As per the previous update which I posted on WhatsApp, we had said that after creating the bottom near 17,600, Nifty had started an impulse move, and the immediate resistance was the 61.8% retracement mark of the previous fall, somewhere around 18,230. And that's what exactly market did yesterday. It went up till around 18,210, and then they came down and currently trading somewhere near 18,000, 18,100 levels. So initially market has to surpass 18,210 levels, then the resistance would be somewhere near this area of 18,270 to 18,350, and then after that the all-time high of 18,600 would be looked at. Now I've been also getting a lot of questions regarding long-term view on Nifty, because Nifty has rallied very sharply from the lows of 7,500. It's more than doubled in less than 1.5 years of time. So is it a bubble? Are we set for a big crash in short term and things like that? So let us try and answer that with some long-term charts. I'm looking at a monthly chart here. Okay, let me take out all these lines first. Yeah, I'm looking at a monthly chart here, and you can see it's a strong impulse move from the bottoms of 7,500. But if you watch closely, markets have been very well following what we call as an upward trend line. And unless and until prices close below this trend line, which is somewhere around 17,400 to 17,600 odd levels, unless and until we close below that level, I don't think so there should be anything to be worried as such about. Okay. Moreover, if we have to look at some targets on the higher side, okay, I can just put a parallel channel to this existing trend line, and the targets can be as high as 19,500 to 19,900 odd levels in the upcoming months. As you can see, Nifty has been very well following this channel trend line on the upside and the lower side also. It goes up, it takes resistance near the upward channel, comes down, takes support near the downward channel, and so on. So unless and until we go below these important levels of 17,600, 17,400, and 17,000 level, which will be a very important psychological mark, I don't think so there is anything to be worried about. As traders and even as investors, you can look at buying opportunities in any falls with the final ultimate reversals of, I think, around 17,000 to 17,100 levels on Nifty. On the weekly chart also, you can see a clear cut impulse move of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure, which as per Elliott wave is a sign of a long uptrend. Okay, we don't have to worry about it, because the recent fall of around 1,000 points from 18,600 to 17,600 came in a form of a corrective wave structure as per Elliott wave counting. If this had to be in form of 5 waves, then it would have been something to worry about, but this is completely a corrective structure, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then from there we started to have this new impulse maybe. So that's why immediately to start off with, the levels of 17,800 would be very crucial, followed by which 17,600 would be the ultimate level. Okay, and as per the monthly charts, as I said, 17,000 to 17,100 for the long term wave count or long term view for Nifty is important. So cutting it short, in a nutshell, Nifty for short term, the target, I mean, the bias is still kind of upwards with stop loss below 17,800. It has to initially surpass the 18,200 level. After that, we can expect 18,350 and then 18,600 levels. Okay. For medium term, as per the weekly chart, as I said, it's still a kind of an uptrend with important supports being again 17,600, 17,400. Okay, and for long term, for few months upcoming, unless and until we close below this channel trend lines, we don't have to bother at such. And going forward, we can expect targets of even as high as 19,500 to 20,000 odd levels. Thank you so much.